Alright, here goes Cedric. Go down forwards, bud. Oh, you're going down feet first. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, go. Go, Cedric.
He's going. Whoa! Watch out, Sienna, please.
No! Lay down, you
No, Sienna. No, Sienna.
Lay down. Okay, this time you have to go for my leg. Okay? No. Yes. Remember, we did this long ago. It's not scary. You just have to lay down and you go. Yeah? Lay down. Ow. Then I go up and then you make a tunnel, right?
All right, yeah. All right. Bam.
Then you